welcome back to my magical world of math. Today I am going to teach you how to multiply the number in the easiest way by using Vedic Mathematics tricks. Watch the video till the end. Let us start. See the numbers. 26 multiplied by 7. See, by using a small trick, how we can do it very easily. First we will multiply these two. 7 into 2, that is 40 right here. Draw a small line. Then multiply 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. Draw a line like this. Write this units place number like this. Tens place number you add it to the next. Okay. So 14 plus 4, that will be 18. Answer is 182. Let us see the second one. Here we have done the 2-digit number. Here we are doing it now 3-digit into 1 digit. Okay, here 2-digit into 1 digit. In the same way, even here we are going to do. But here what we will do, every sum will start from the leftmost number. Okay, like this. 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 6 and 4 multiplied by 4. Like this we are going to multiply. First one is 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. Draw a line. 4 multiplied by 6. 4 6s are 24. Draw a line. 4 4s are 16. Okay. Draw a line. Now what to do? Write the units place number as it is. Tens place you add it to the next number. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. Now here 4 you have added for this. Next number which is in the tens place added to the next number like this. So 12 plus 2, that will be 14. Yes, this is the answer. Here you see, here we wrote the 4-digit number, 4 digit into 1 digit. Here also we will do the same thing starting from the leftmost. See, multiply 6 into 8. 6 8s are, I will write from this side, 48. Draw a line. Okay. Then 6 into 9. 6 9s are 54. Okay. Draw a line. Then take the next number. 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Draw a line. And then the last number, 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Draw the line. Okay. Now, write the units place number of the last number as it is. Tens place you add it to the next. 1 plus 8, 9. And add this 1 to the next number. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then this 5 you add it to the next. Like it is last number. 48 plus 8. 48 plus 8 is 53. This is the answer. Is it not the easiest way? See, we have one more biggest number. Even we will do this. Okay. Now we know how to do it. 5 into 4, 5 into 3, 5 into 6, 5 into 3, 5 into 2, 5 into 5. Okay. We will multiply it one by one. Then we are going to add it. 5 into 4. I will write from here. 5 4s are 20. Draw a line. Okay. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 50. Draw a line. Next number. 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Draw a line. Next number. 5 into 3. That is 50. Draw a line. Then next number is 2. 5 2s are 10. And the last number is 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now see how to write the final answer. Last number, units place number, we should write it as it is. Tens place add it to the next. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 you add it to the next number. 1 plus 5 is 6. This 1 you add it to the next number. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Add this 3 to the next number. 3 plus 5 is 8 and add this to the next. So it is the last number 20 plus 1 we can write, that is 21. This is the answer. In this way, very easily we can use this trick and do the multiplication very easily. This type of multiplication is called adjustment method because we are going to adjust the number one after that, right? So it is called adjustment method, and also it is called balancing method, balancing the number. Okay, see, this is what the multiplication trick for in the today's video, and in the next video you can see different types of addition. There are too many different types we can add the numbers that I am going to show you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.